Now, we've got quite a nice little range of tools in our shop nowadays. And what we try and do is get tools that you wouldn't normally find in the run-of-the-mill garden centre, but which we know are absolutely indispensable and we use a lot of. So which of these, Elaine, which is your favourite?
At the moment, Laura, it would have to be the perennial spade. I think they are beautifully designed. It's a wonderful, strong handle, and the sharp point. It's really, really handy tool. You hardly ever see Monty Don without one now.
It's true. Or Adam.
Yeah, true.
And in fact, you just got to stock this longer handle one too, haven't we?
So yes, with a greater reach across raised beds and so on. What about you?
Well, this is the one I'm using most of all. And as everyone knows, I'm mad on things in pots, and they often need moving on to bigger pots. So I'm running this. It's a container root and transplanting knife. I run this round the edge of the pot to free up the root ball and then move it to a bigger one. But you can use it for planting bulbs. It's got measurements on the side.
Yes.
It's got a nice serrated edge there for cutting through tougher roots. You can use it for digging in. Use it as a kind of narrow trowel. No, it's
beautifully designed.
Yeah,
it is. And given the number of pots that you've got, I'm not a bit surprised that that's one of your favourite tools. And we cannot forget the razor hose, which have been such a good seller for us. Again, a wonderful design and so useful around the borders.
Really I couldn't live without mine. And great, even for cat-handed people like you, Elaine, we do one for you, don't we? We do the left-handed version.
I think what she actually means is that I'm left-handed, not cat-handed.